Welcome to our video. Indulging in delectable cookies doesn't have to mean compromising your vegan lifestyle. These vegan peanut butter cookies are a perfect blend of sweet and nutty goodness without the use of any animal products. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 cup creamy peanut butter. Make sure it's 100 peanut butter with no added ingredients. And 1/2 cup granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup brown sugar, a half cup unsweetened almond milk, or any plant-based milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a bowl, mix peanut butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, almond milk, and vanilla extract. In another bowl, whisk flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add dry ingredients to peanut butter mixture to form a dough. Roll into 1-inch balls, place on the baking sheet, and flatten with a fork. Bake for 10-12 minutes until edges turn golden. Cool on the sheet for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Enjoy your vegan peanut butter cookies. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.